So hello, what's up guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make an animated glass morphism card with the help of pure HTML and CSS. So let's get started. If you want the source code is given in our website. Scroll down. You can see all my projects are present here. You can get my YouTube channel. Here is the source code and you can also follow me on the LinkedIn. So let's get started. So let's start our code by writing the HTML boilerplate code. Give the title GlassMorphism cards. Morphism cards. Save it. Reload the page. Here the title have been changed. Before starting the code, I want to tell that I had included the vanilla.js file from the website, and also I had included the script tag from that website of the vanilla.js, and I had also included the link from the Google font of the Poppins. Now let's start our code. First, make the class container. In the class container, make one class card. In that card, add one content. Take one S2 tag, write 01, take one S3 tag, write the card 1, let's go ahead, take a paragraph tag and let's write some dummy tag, lorem 30, Alt Z, save it. Now we want at least 3 cards in this container. So first we will format document this page. Now let's take this card and paste 3 times. Alter E. Now change this number from 01 to 02 and the last one 03. Also change the text card 1, card 2 and the card 3. Save it. Here you can see all the HTML inside. Let's include the link of the Google font and just paste the JavaScript tag below the HTML and above the body tag and save it. Now let's go to the CSS. I had copied the Google font link here and I have pasted here. Let's go ahead. Let's take the body tag. Display, text, align item, center, justify content, center, save it. Height 100 VH, background hash 161623, save it. Let's link the CSS page to the HTML file. Just save it. Okay, it's somewhat working. For some time we will comment this part. Save it. Okay, let's go to the CSS page. In the body we will use a before tag. Content will be empty string. Position will be absolute. Top 0, left 0, width 100%, Right, 100 VH. Linear gradient hash f00 comma hash f0f. Save it. Flip path, circle 30% at right, 70%, save. Okay, you can see here the circle. Let's go ahead. Now we have to do for the body after. The content will be empty string. Position will be absolute. Top 0, left 0, width 100%, height 100 VH, background linear gradient hash f3c equal to 1, comma hash double f 0057, save it. Now here clip path, circle 20% at 10%, save it. Now let's go ahead. Now let's add some CSS to the container. The position will be relative. Width will be 1200 pixel. The index will be 1. Display flex. Justify contain center. Let's wrap. Now let's go to the card by crawling container dot card. The width of the card will be 350 pixel. Height will be 500 pixel. And margin will be 30 pixel. Okay. Margin will be 30 pixel. Box shadow will be 20 pixel. 20 pixel, 50 pixel, RGB 0,0,0,0.5. Let's save it. Okay. Now let's go ahead. Border radius of 15 pixel. Save it. Border radius of 15 pixel. Now we will create the background. Background RGBA 255, 255, 245, 0.5. Save it. Okay. It's somewhat looking like glass. Now the display will be flex. Item center. Extra content center. Overflow hidden. Border top 1 pixel solid. RGB 295, 255, 255, 0.5. And border left 1 pixel solid. RGB. Save it. Let's go ahead. Now the background filter plus 5 pixel. Save it. Okay, let's go ahead. Dot container. Dot cart. Dot content. Pixel. Extra line center. Transform. Translate. 100 pixel. Opacity of 0. And 0.5 second. Save it. Okay. Let's go ahead. Dot cart. Dot content. In the content, the pad we will give the padding. We will give the padding. No. In the content we will give transform. Translate y 0 pixel and opacity will be 1. Save it. Okay, so now it's looking good. Now let's go ahead. Dot container. Dot cart. Container. Dot cart. Dot content. And that we have to first target to the h2. And h2, the position of the h2 will be absolute. Top minus 12 pixel minus 152 pixel. And the right will be 0 pixel. Font size will be 10 em. Just save it. Color will be RGB. 0.05. Save it. Let's go ahead. Pointer events will be none. Dot containers. Dot cart. Dot content. And that was 3. Font size would be 1.8 em. Color HTTP. Z index 1. Shape. Now we will give some CSS for the paragraph tag by calling container.card.content paragraph tag. Font size will be 1 em. The color will be #000. The color will be #FFF, and the font weight will be 100. Now container card content in that anchor tag. Position will be relative. Display will be inline block. Padding will be 8 pixel, 20 pixel. Margin top 15 pixel. Background will be #FFF. Color will be #000. Border radius 20 pixel. Text decoration none. Font weight of 600. And the box shadow 0, 5 pixel, 15 pixel. RGBA. Just save it. Should also include one anchor tag after the paragraph tag. After D, that anchor tag will give a hashtag read more. Just save it. We have to also remove the comment from here. Save it. Now our project is ready. You can see here. Please like my channel, subscribe it, and don't forget to share it. Thank you.